Hello everyone and welcome to my Marangig Falls adventure. I'm so excited to finally be here and share this incredible place with you guys. My slippers are starting to give out after our long day in Maragusa, so I'm walking carefully to avoid any further damage as we finish up. Sa mga nagtatanong kung saan makikita ang Marangig Falls, is situated in Barangay New Albay, Maragusan, Davao de Oro. Our adventure to Marangig Falls was a real adventure. Napapansin nyo, medyo mahirap ang daan papunta doon sa waterfalls. Wala talagang proper na daanan. Wala nang atrasan to. Tuloy pa rin yung paglakad namin kahit mahirap. But we embrace the challenge and keep going. Join us. We discover the beauty of Marangig Falls.
Diyos ko, Lord. Buwis buhay.
Finally guys, narating na din namin.
Video lang kadali, okay?
If you're planning to a trip to Marangig Falls, make sure to wear comfortable shoes for the hike to Marangig Falls. The trail can be a bit challenging but is manageable with the right footwear. From the challenging hike to the breathtaking views, Marangig Falls was an unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining me on this adventure.